What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to sign up to ChatGPT. So this one pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first, go to ChatGPT and click Try ChatGPT, and it will redirect you to this page where you can sign up or log in. So since we are signing up, just click Sign Up here, and here you will need to provide your email address, or you can continue signing up on Google. So just I'm going to click Google. I'm going to choose any account I want, and it will redirect me to this page. Just wait. This page where I will provide my first name and last name and also my birth date. Just fill this up. After fill After filling this up, just click continue, and you will also need to provide your phone number, or if you don't have a phone number, you can just go to Google and search for a temporary phone number. Just click any website you want. I'm going to click this, and it will show me a list of temporary phone numbers that I can use. I'm going to choose this, paste this phone number, click send code. Oh, this one is already linked to an account. If that happens, just go to the next phone number until you get the right one. And after that, it will send you a code and you will verify your account, and now you can log in. That's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.